Hey, it's Regina Green with Making Faith Moves, and thank you so much for clicking the link and joining me to find out why most believers never live the life that they truly desire to live or never start the business that they truly desire to start. Thank you. So, over the next 2 days, this is the first day, you will receive a video from me explaining to you why we as believers never live that life. I mean, let me ask you a few questions. Do you ever find yourself making decisions going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, not being able to come up with one decision as to how you can move forward, why you should move forward, but you continue to stay in that state? That state is called stuck. That state leaves you feeling like I cannot come out of this cycle. And that state also keeps your mind in mediocrity. It is our own mind that keeps us stuck. And so the first reasons why most believers will never live the life or build the business that they truly desire is because of a lack of clarity. You have no idea what you want. You don't know what that business looks like. You just say, I want my life to be different. You don't know what that different is. What is that different? That's the question I want to ask to you. Do you have clarity on what that life looks like? Do you understand where it is that you want to go in your business? Do you understand how that business looks? How your life looks? Do you know that? A lot of us were just going through the motions, saying I'm hoping and wishing and wondering, how can I do it? When will this ever happen? I wish that I can do this. Maybe one day that'll happen. But in reality, it can happen right now, today, if you decide to activate faith and move forward with clarity. You have to find time to figure out what it is that you want for your life and what you want for your business. Otherwise, you'll keep doing this, going in circles, feeling less than, feeling not good enough, questioning your skills. Because this is how clarity works. When you know what it is you want, and I like to share the story about myself. When I applied for positions in my career, I saw jobs that I really wanted. I would pick one job that I felt was the job that was right for me. Had I looked at all jobs, if it was five, say it was five, if I had went back and forth about, well, which one should I apply for? Which one do you think I'm best at? Wonder which one I should go. Well, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. If I had went and stayed in that state and never picked any of the jobs, just going back and forth, the jobs could have been filled, or I never would have even gotten any interviews. So the example of that is I knew what I wanted, which job I wanted out of the five jobs. Therefore, I went towards it. I decided to look at the skill set because I believe even with skill set, we can gain new skills. We can learn new skills. We can learn how to, the skills that's on the job, right? We can learn that. So not worrying about the qualifications, but having the faith to step out and apply and pick one, so that you can get an interview, so that you can move towards getting the job. Well, that is how it is for your life and for your business. You can sit around and you can be on a job that you hate. You could be in a business that you don't like because it's not going to the next level. Or you can never start your business because you never make a decision to find out what it is that you want. So my question to you is, what do you want? Are you clear about what it is that you want for your life and for your business? Do you want to start a business? Or are you really lacking fulfillment in one area and you can't figure out what that is? Are you feeling confused and procrastinate a lot, going back and forth, lack of focus, just going through life with no intentions at all? Well, this is what I want you to do. I want you to spend some time and find out what it is that you want for your life. I don't want you to sit down and make up reasons why it can't happen. Gain clarity. Now, I want you to reply back to this email and let me know what you think about this video, okay? Let me know, are you clear about what you want for your life and for your business? My name is Regina Green with Making Faith Moves, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.